Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome back my YouTube channel Best Supercar, and today I will show you a very beautiful and good car which is for sale in UAE Sharjah, and you can see that this is the car Toyota Corolla 1.8 Altis, and you can see this car front look is a very beautiful color in this car. It has a very beautiful color and it is in very clean condition, and you can see this car interior is clean condition. Wow, very nice condition and clean condition. You can see this car automatic car in, and you can see this car seats in leather cover, and you can see this car from the back, which is very beautiful look, very nice look. And you can see it has a very nice alloy rim. Wow, and this car tire is a good condition, not have any work required. Is available for sale in Sharjah, UAE, and you can see the seats for this car which is in leather cover, and this automatic car is a beautiful condition, beautiful color. And this car is engine suspension is a very good condition, just key and drive, not have any work required.